So we're here today.
Dude, we're back.
Dude, we're here to settle a rumor that's been going around.
Yep.
That we're going to do another barbecue wars tour is what they've been saying. And some people have been saying burger wars, some people have been saying pizza wars. So we just want to settle it right now. Do you want to do the announcement?
No, you
No?
do it.
All right.
No, it's you. For sure.
So we're putting barbecue wars tour on the back burner, and we're going to launch our first ever Burger Wars tour.
Yes!
That's right.
So excited.
We're doing it right here at Jumbo and Delicious. They are going to be the sponsor of the whole tour. So you're going to be hearing that name a lot. Jumbo and Delicious. It's going to be great. Now, if you haven't seen Jumbo and Delicious stuff, we're going to order some stuff right now and show it off. We're going to base every judgment of each place around the South by Jumbo and Delicious standards. Okay? Because honestly, we think they have one of the best burgers.
They do.
Yeah, they do. They do. And I'm sure some of you are screaming, In-N-Out, Whataburger. We're going to try and we're not doing In-N-Out because that's all the way in Texas. We're not going back to Texas right now. But we are going to probably hit a Whataburger on the road.
Probably.
And why don't you tell them what we decided we're going to do for the viewers?
So, like the Barbecue Wars tour, it was kind of one of those things, hey, come find Jack, let's try to pretend and see if you guys can find him when we're out. This time, he's decided he's going to let you know beforehand what restaurants we're going to be in. So if there's some of the viewers that are out there, you guys want to come in and say hi or whatever and be a part of it, that's just even better. So he's done that. I think that's really awesome.
And you get to be in the video,
You
right?
can be in it, absolutely, and just be a part of this thing. And I can't wait. It's going to be so fun.
Yeah.
Very excited.
We're going to post on all my social media about an hour before each restaurant. So if you live in, let's say you live in Huntsville.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to a burger place in Huntsville. We'll post it. So make sure my links are down below, that you're following me somewhere. I'm going to post all across social media. He'll be driving. So you have nothing to worry about.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so you can drive safely on the road.
Yeah.
Then we will announce where we're going to be. So if you live nearby, you're more than welcome to join us in the video. And we'll put you in there, and we'll have fun with you, and we'll break bread together.
It's going to be great.
It's going to be awesome.
Really good.
Yeah.
And what are you doing? What's your bonus for this one?
Oh, the giveaway.
Yeah, the giveaway.
Oh, yeah, there's
absolutely.
rules for the giveaway. Okay, we usually give something away every single Barbecue Wars tour we've done. So this is no different. It's a Burger Wars tour, and we're giving away a pit barrel barbecue.
Those are cool.
So they're really cool. They're great for rib hanging and cooking. And you guys saw us at the firehouse doing the pit barrel barbecue.
Yeah. I think we had 9 racks on there.
Yeah, we maxed it out.
It was like 9 of these massive slabs of ribs, and they came out flawless. They
Right.
were really, really good. And that was cool. So, I'd love to have one, but I don't have one. So firemen have one, and
Now here's how you
One-
would.
yeah.
We
Go.
decided how we're gonna do a drawing, right?
a drawing,
Yeah.
random drawing.
We're doing a random drawing. The only way to enter the drawing is really simple. As you guys know, I started a new channel called Fishhook, and I'll have the link down below also. It's a brand new channel. All you gotta do is subscribe. That's it. That's your entry, and I can pick from randomly from one of the subscribers, or I'll have Mitch do it, and we're gonna pick from one of you subscribers on that channel. So we know you love these things. We love doing them.
I'm excited, dude.
Oh,
I
we're
can't
pumped. And we're bringing the wives.
Yeah.
We're bringing our wives. No lie. A lot of you like Tammy. You're going to get to meet Gina, and we're bringing the wives. It's going to be a riot.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll probably be yelling at each other in the car. It'd be awesome. I love it. A fight might break
It
out.
will.
We'll catch it on film.
Before the video, it's gonna be like that ride to church. Everybody's screaming at everybody in the car,
Right.
and you get out and you're like, okay, here we are, guys. It's gonna be a good day.
It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let me go get some food, show off some of their food here at Jumbo Delicious. We want to thank them for being sponsors
Absolutely.
of the whole tour, and we hope we see you guys on the road soon. Okay, one thing we forgot to mention was the judging sheet. So let's discuss the judging sheet real quick before the food arrives that we ordered.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
What's the first one?
So we're going to give a score between 1 and 10. And number 1, we're going to look at the bun, the actual bun of the burger. You know, for what, the fluffiness or the...
Yeah, the best bun is the least bun. It's just enough to hold the burger together. We're not looking for solid dough.
Okay.
we're not going to give a high score to people who have a heavy, like, ciabatta bun. Forget it.
No, because you get full on that stuff.
Yeah.
The meat doneness,
right?
We want that. So however we order, we want to make sure it's coming out that way.
Now, we need to order the whole tour the same way. So if we're going to do medium well,
we'll do medium well.
We'll do medium well the whole tour.
I think so.
And then we'll judge accordingly. If it comes out rare, it's a big ding against them. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Toppings, we're obviously going to judge for toppings for freshness and, you know, there's vegetables and stuff like that.
No brown lettuce or anything.
French fries originality.
Okay.
So this is going to be fun, dude. I mean, they're going to be crinkle cuts.
Right.
You'll have the chili cheese fries, the smothered. I mean, you name it, man. It's going to be out there. So we want to experiment with all this stuff, right?
The more creative they can give us on their menu,
the better their score is going to be.
So, like, just plain fries ain't going to cut it.
The cafeteria fries, like
no, don't do that. Don't do that. the fries we ripped up.
Yeah, no.
Anyway, so let's. So if they have like Cajun fries, or they have like In-N-Out has special fries, you can get them animal style. That's a plus. Those are high points. Okay,
very good. The total appearance, you know, of your plate, the way it comes out, and everything's the way it's presented. The total service inside of the restaurant, right? So we want to be able to judge that. So we want to be able to portray value. You know, you don't want to go out and spend
$25 on a burger
for each person,
right?
You know, and then just be walking away disappointed, hungry an hour later, and just going like, "What just happened?" You know, not what we want. So anyway, the total flavor. So we want to be able to judge that as well. The restaurant itself and their cleanliness overall. So like if the bathrooms haven't been cleaned in a week, that's going to be kind of a red flag.
Or if they don't clean the tables,
if they don't clean the tables, the benches, you know, the floors and all that. And we'll be able to tell as soon as we walk in.
Right.
And then of course, we had to throw in the milkshakes. So I'm so excited about that, man. There is nothing like, in my opinion, it's a vanilla milkshake with a burger, and you can sometimes just dip your fries in there.
Look at that.
God,
Look, don't get all
excited.
I
am right now. I can't stand it. So,
so it's just not just a plain milkshake ain't cutting it. It needs to be ice cold.
Yeah, absolutely.
Really cold.
Yeah. And preferably the ones they make homemade.
Right.
You know, like literally, not so.
No powder.
No. And you can tell.
Yeah.
So that's what we want to do. Then we're just going to have a total down there. We'll take some notes. We'll go out just like we did on the last tour. We'll add everything up, kind of give the scores individually, and you know, the best out of 100 is going to win this thing. So anyway, we're going to start here.
And then we'll compare them to Jumbo Delicious.
That's right.
Okay, so we're waiting for the food right now. We just want to talk about, there's a line over there ordering in the other room. And all these people this place opens at 11. All these people were waiting in line.
We're outside.
Right, banging on the door.
Waiting, I know.
It was crazy. This place is booming. So you got to get here early, call it in, do whatever you got to do. But this is a great place. Okay, so this is the side of fries that come with your burger. No skimping, beautiful, crinkle cut, perfectly cooked, and you got some dips. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And then this is what nobody knows. These are called messy wings. And what kind of wings are these?
Those are the hot. We got the hot wings. I just love wings. I just love them.
These are amazing. They're the biggest wings that I've seen in town.
Yeah.
And they're not breaded. If you don't want breaded, you can just have them cook up your wings for you and sauce them up. And come on in and order they're called messy wings. I don't think he has them on the menu. And he has, this is my hot barbecue, and he has regular barbecue, and my Jamaican jerk, and my teriyaki. He uses all my sauces. And I'm just proud to be at Jumbo Delicious.
So, this is not on our judging sheet, but I just got to have a wing. It's Friday. Yay. So I'm going to dip it in a little ranch. Oh,
the wings here, we're going to warn you, the wings here are
so hot.
Piping hot. I mean, they come right out of the cooker. Okay, there it is. Look at that. Look at that beauty. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, if you're into food porn like I am, that is a great looking burger. That is a stuffed, you get to pick cheese that is stuffed with, you get to pick cheese that is on top, and everything. I want to be perfectly clear about this burger. See how the meat hangs off? That's a nice size patty. It's almost like you got to eat around it.
I'm going to put my hands on it to give
to show them how big it is. How perfect is the bun?
It's The bun is just amazing.
The bun is airy.
That
It's a
thing's
perfect
huge.
burger.
That's a burger.
Yeah, go ahead
That's
and
to
cut
die
it.
for.
We'll take a look at it cut in a minute. And we're going to slice it right in the middle. And this is how we're going to do Burger Wars. We're going to order their best burger. We're going to figure out which one sounds the best. We're going to order it. We're going to cut it in half. And the beauty about our judging sheet is it could be a Mexican burger.
Doesn't matter.
An Italian burger.
Doesn't matter.
All right, here we go. Start of the Burger Wars tour.
Ready?
First bite, go ahead. First bite right here. Boom. The tour has officially begun. That's what we're comparing everybody's burgers to.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
So good.
Look at that.
Oh dear.
Oh, it's just
So
beautiful.
good.
Look at that. And I'm gonna eat it like a taco. Get over it. When it's cut in half, when it's a whole burger, I eat it different. But when it's cut in half like this, I bite right in there, right in the middle for the goodness.
Look at that. So good. So good.
I love this burger. His burger is flawless. Hey guys, okay, so go over to my new channel, the link's down below, to enter to win, and be looking for my postings of all the locations we're going to. Okay, I'm going to give you the entire list, and then we'll give you more precise times the day of, okay? I just want to remind you guys, we also have secret menu items here at Jumbo and Delicious. If you want Cajun fries, they have a Cajun seasoning they throw on the fries. If you want that, if you want hand cut, they have hand cut fries. A lot of people like the skin and the hand cut fries. So there's so much you can do here. Just speak to them and ask for what you want, and they will take care of you. All right, guys. I love you. I'll see you on the Wars tour, and take care.